Hey, this is Nina Nevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song The Blessing by Elevation Worship and Kari Jobe. I'm going to go through the entire song just singing, and then I'll show you the details of how I did everything. His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Lord, turn His face towards you and give peace. Lord, bless you. His face shine upon you, be gracious to you. Lord, turn His face toward you and give peace. His favor be upon you in 1,000 generations, in your family, in your children, and their children, and their children. May His favor be upon you in 1,000 generations, in your family, in your children, and their children, and their children. His favor be upon you in 1,000 generations, in your family, in your children, and their children, and their children. His favor be upon you in 1,000 generations, in your family, in your children, and their children, and their children. His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is in you. He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming, in your going, in your weeping, in your rejoicing. He is Anyway, so that's just a quick run down of me playing and singing. Now I'm going to show you the details. And honestly, when I first heard this song, I thought it's going to be really hard to learn. And I was kind of like, oh my goodness. I was trying to figure it out. But it's actually so easy, and I'm so excited to show you. So the introduction, what I'm doing is I'm going to, actually the entire song, not just the introduction, my right hand is going to remain in the same exact spot during the entire song. You won't even believe it. So it's going to be on F sharp and B. That's where I'm going to hold my hand the entire time. And to be correct, you can place your first finger and then your fourth finger. I sometimes just do random things. But anyway, to be correct, it's first and fourth. Just to show you, that's right there. Okay. So what's going to be doing the most work is your left hand, since that's the thing that's going to be switching the chords, okay? But your right hand is always going to be positioned right here. So the introduction, you're going to have the B chord. And then you're going to switch to E with your left hand. You're going to switch to D sharp with your left hand. Technically, it's D sharp minor. And then you're going to go to... So technically, this is B over D sharp. That's how it looks like. This, by the way, the secret sauce of why I'm playing these two is technically this is the B chord. So this is the B chord right here. And instead of playing 1 and 5 right here, since this 5 is a little too high for their liking of the song, so I'm going to be carrying that 5 lower. So technically I'm playing the 5 and 1 of the B chord, and the song is in the key of B, so that's why I'm kind of camping here the entire song. So here you have the B, and then you have the E, then you have the B over D sharp, which with your left hand you're playing the D sharp key, and then F sharp. Be gracious to you. Again, switching G sharp with your left hand and staying in the same exact spot with your right hand. Okay? And then you have the E again. D sharp and give F sharp, peace, B. And then I'm going to have a B. E. Back to B. Lord bless you and keep you. So one thing I'm going to say about this song is that when you transition from chord to chord, the pattern that they use here is they press on the chord. Can you see this slow motion that I did? That transition looks, it sounds so beautiful, but all I did is I pressed right before switching to the next chord. I just do the F sharp, B, and then again together. So this is going to be your secret sauce to the entire song, is playing F sharp and B really quick and then hitting on F sharp and B together. So get used to this. And you're going to do this before switching to chords. Not every single time, but almost every time. So for example, so you're not going to use it every time, but sometimes, okay? It sounds really beautiful. So that's how the little interlude is going to sound for you. You have your B, E, Lord bless you and keep you, make his face shine upon and be gracious. So see, before G sharp minor, I did that. Anyway, so super simple. That's just a little trick for you to make this song even more beautiful. It might take a while for you to practice that. Literally just sit there and practice that. That's going to be your transition to chord, from chord to chord. And then you go to the Amen. Super self-explanatory. You got your G sharp, F sharp. And then again, Lord bless you. To make it louder, you can hit on the bass notes more. So do octaves. Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Lord turn his. So just adding more volume, but it's pretty much, you know, the same. Then you go to the Amen again, the chorus. Again, right hand is staying on the same exact thing, left hand is switching around, okay? And then you go into the beautiful bridge, and the instrumental between the bridge and the chorus is just the chords of the bridge. So you're just playing G sharp minor, E, B, and then again F sharp. And you just sing, may his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations. Guys, literally this song can't get any easier. I can't. It sounds so hard, but it's so easy. Your right hand is just staying parked in that same exact place, and the only thing that's doing the work is the left hand, and it just sounds so beautiful. When you're ready to build up and play really loud, just play on those bass notes loud, So instead of playing B here, maybe you want to play it lower for it to be even louder. Okay, so that's how you get loud. You're pressing on that bass a lot. So, and then you can go back to the chorus. And then you can go anywhere you want, back to the chorus, back to the bridge, back to the chorus. It is just beautiful any way that you do it. And yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you are wondering how you can apply this specific pattern to any song, go ahead and go to worshippianotutorials.com/lessons. I have individual lessons where I teach you specific skills. It's amazing. And then, yeah, I'll just see you there, and I'll see you in the next tutorial as well. Bye.